صباح الخير year 1. عاملين ايه حبايبي؟ اتمنى كلكم تكونوا بخير. وحشتوني جدا جدا وهتوحشوني اكتر لغايه ما اشوفكم السنه الجايه ان شاء الله واحنا داخلين year 2. اتمنى لكم اجازه سعيده ونقضي صيف سعيد ان شاء الله ونرجع كلنا مبسوطين وفرحانين حبايبي. بحبكم جدا جدا وهتوحشوني.
Hi,
باي
Year One
باي.
Green. How are you all? Hope everybody's fine. And congratulations! You're moving to year 2. You did it. Hope everybody will have a lovely vacation. Love you all. See you soon.
Year One Yellow, I would like you to know that you're so special and I enjoy being your teacher. I just can't imagine how fast the year did go. We smiled, laughed, and most importantly learned. After an amazing journey, enjoy the summer break that you've earned. As Riley King once said, the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Stay positive, stay safe. Wishing you best of luck in year 2.
Hi, Year One Red. I really miss you guys, and I really wish I could say this message to all of you face to face. And I was very happy to be your teacher, only for a short part of the year. But I am so proud of all the work you guys have been doing, and I cannot wait to see you again next year. Very proud of you and very excited for you for year 2. See you soon.
Good morning, Year One Red. I would like to say many thanks for all my lovely, beautiful and wonderful children. Of course, for all the teachers and for all the parents. We had an amazing year regardless all these ups and downs. I wish everybody lovely and safe holidays. Please enjoy your summer to the max. Keep home and keep healthy, and I wish to see everybody very soon. With all my love, Mrs. Hela.
year 1 ازيكم عاملين ايه؟ وحشتوني جدا جدا جدا. ان شاء الله هنشوف بعض قريب السنه الجايه، بس ساعتها هتبقوا في year 2 مش في year 1. اتمنى لكم اجازه سعيده وصيف جميل. باي، الى اللقاء.
Hi, Year One Blue. Guess where I am? I'm in El Alson School. I came today to do some packing, and I said it would be a good opportunity to say a message, an end of year message to everyone in Year One Blue class 2019-2020. It was a pleasure having you all this year. I enjoyed it very much, although it was a very exceptional year. Half of it was at home, the other half in school. But we were very happy, Ms. Marwa and I, with you, and I will miss you. Mwah, till we meet next year.
Yes, it was my pleasure to have you all. I love you all. I'll miss you all. Wish you all the good in year 2, inshallah. And hope to see you soon, inshallah, in the school premises, inshallah.
Have a lovely summer holiday.
Yes.
Hello, Year One, especially Year One Yellow. I missed you all, guys. I know it was unexpected year, but finally you did it, and you're moving to year 2. I'm so happy for you. And I just want to wish you a joyful summer holiday. See you next year at school. Bye bye.
Hi, Year One Red. I miss you so much. And I really wish that I could have been able to see you this year, but you know things have been really difficult. And I wish you a great summer holiday, and I'll see you next year inshallah when you're all big boys and girls in year 2. Love you.
Hi, Year 1 students. It's Miss Mika, and thank you so much for your dedication and hard work to music and to other classes. I will greatly miss all of you.
ولادي الحلوين، كل سنة وانتم طيبين. رايحين year 2. اجازة سعيدة عليكم. اشوفكم بخير.
Hello, Year One Green. I missed you all so much, and I want you to know that you're all very special to us. I was very happy to be with you in Year One Green, and I wish you the best of luck in year 2, and I'm sure you will all be doing great. Please stay safe and take care of yourselves and your families, and I will see you hopefully next year.